The entire world is about to forget that Peter Parker is Spider-Man.
Wait, everyone? Can't some people still know?
That's not how the spell works.
So MJ's gonna forget about everything we've ever been through?
Stop tampering with the spell.
Oh my god, Ned, he's my best friend. Oh, my Aunt May should really know.
Stop talking!
Guys, Assalamualaikum. Hari ni memandangkan Spider-Man akan keluar kan. Spider-Man apa? Run home. Aku lupa lah. Siapa yang tahu tu komen kat bawah. Apa run away? Run from home. Tak tahulah aku. So hari ni kita unboxing kepala Spider-Man daripada Pinjang Studio. Ini punya ni nama brand dia. Dia punya studio Pinjang. Spider-Man keluar bila? Tahu? Tak tahu. Asyik bulan depan tak kisahlah, tahun ni. So kita unboxing Spider-Man. Okay, kita meramaikan lagi, kita merapatkan lagi yang dekat kita rapat, yang jauh kita dekatkan. Betul tak? So jangan lupa subscribe Oh, dia tak ada ni, dia ada brown box je, dia tak ada colour box. Dia tak ada colour box. Payah pula. Oh, gitu aja. Bus Spider-Man daripada Pinjang Studio. So ini 1/2 scale. Duk diam. Oh, dia biasa je, simple. Bawah dia kosong. So dia punya ni 1/2 scale. Dia ada yang 1/1 scale yang boleh keluarkan lampu daripada mata dia. Yang ni tak boleh keluarkan lampu, so murah sikit lah. So kita dapat macam ni. Actually dia sama brand dengan yang Iron Man macam sebelum ni aku unboxing. Kau boleh tengok nanti kan. So nampak dia punya mata dia Spider-Man Iron Spidey daripada apa ni, movie Avengers kan, yang Iron Man bagi kat dia kan. So kita nampak dia punya ukiran tepi, dia punya bahu dia. Belakang kosong sebab dia burst kan. Kepala je, kepala badannya. Tangan tak ada, hudung agaknya. So nampak dia punya ukiran mata cantik. Dan dia punya kepala dia nampak dia skap. So ini resin resin. Kita tak lama unboxing, sekejap nampak dia punya badan dia. Dia punya ukiran badan tengah dia, Spider dia. Apa lagi? Itu je. Sebab tak banyak yang aku nak review sebab dia kosong banyak. Tak ada benda yang kita nak pasang, tak ada benda yang kita nak. Itulah. Itu je kot unboxing Spider-Man. Sempena Spider-Man akan datang, sama-sama lah kita lihat. Gabung kan, tiga Spider-Man kan. Tobey Maguire. Itu je aku ingat kot, sebab itu yang aku suka. Apa tu, Andrew Garfield tu Tom Holland. Bawah Holland. So itu je kan. Itu je. Nice. Aku suka. Tapi nampak macam ni nampak macam mencekung sangat badan dia. Mendalam. Mendalam bagi dia. Aku suka dia punya skap. Dia punya ni, ukiran dia nampak timbul lah. Dia punya tu nampak timbul. Semua timbul. Ukiran dia semua timbul. Okay, itu saja guys. Jangan lupa jaga diri, bersih diri selalu. Jangan lupa ambil vaksin. Yang tak ambil vaksin tu jangan lupa ambil vaksin. Kata-kata tidak kepada anti-vaksin. So itu saja guys. Jangan lupa like, share dan subscribe. Kalau korang suka lagi video macam ni, jangan lupa like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. So itu saja daripada aku sampai. Jumpa lagi dalam video akan datang. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.
Some suggest that Parker's powers include the male spider's ability to hypnotize females.
Stop, come on.
Yes, my spider lord.
Can we just stay up here all day? It is so crazy down there.
That's right, folks. Spider-Man is in fact Peter Parker.
Listen, I did not kill Mysterio. The drones did.
The drones that are yours.
Does any part of you feel relieved about all this?
What do you mean?
Now that everybody knows, you don't really have to hide or lie to people.
For the record, I never wanted to lie to you. But how do you tell someone that you're Spider-Man? Now everybody knows. But this isn't about me. This is hurting a lot of people. I've just been thinking about how to fix all of this.
So, Peter, to what do I owe the pleasure?
I'm sorry to bother you, sir.
Please, we saved half the universe together. I think we're beyond you calling me sir.
Okay, Steven.
That feels weird, but I'll allow it.
When Mysterio revealed my identity, my entire life got screwed up. I was wondering if maybe you could make it so that he never did.
Strange. Don't cast that spell. It's too dangerous. Fine. I won't. The entire world is about to forget that Peter Parker is Spider-Man.
Wait, everyone? Can't some people still know?
That's not how the spell works.
So MJ's gonna forget about everything we've ever been through?
Stop tampering with the spell.
Oh my god, Ned, he's my best friend. Oh, my Aunt May should really know.
Stop talking!